Hello, welcome to this quick walkthrough of FortiDevSec capabilities. What is FortiDevSec? It is a cloud-based automated application security tool that performs intensive and comprehensive scans for vulnerabilities in your applications. It integrates continuous application security testing into major DevOps CI/CD environments. FortiDevSec helps evaluate and detect security gaps that you can mitigate and remediate during the software development lifecycle. Here's the FortiDevSec architecture. A thin Docker container package with scanners is needed in the customer environment to communicate with the FortiDevSec cloud in order to show all the results, and customers will have access to the web portal to view the results. FortiDevSec supports and integrates with many common tools and languages in the development product lifecycle. Here's the applications and tools that are supported. So as you can see, GitHub, GitLab, Jenkins, the common tools, and similarly, the languages as well, right? Go, Python, PHP, and so forth. And it integrates into the Fortinet fabric, right? With FortiDAST, FortiCloud, and then the third party with Jira, and then Visual Studio as well. These are the scanners FortiDevSec deploys to evaluate and detect security tools during the development lifecycle. So those are Sast, SCA, secrets, DAS, containers, and infrastructure as code. Now let's take a look at the application. Go to fortidevsec.forticloud.com URL. You can subscribe to a free trial and explore a live demo from there. Let's walk through some of the key features of FortiDevSec. The main page display is the app directory. This shows all the applications DevSec is scanning for vulnerabilities. These 5 examples highlight each of the scanners supported. Other applications can be added via the application button at the top right corner. Also, near the top right of the page, outbreak alerts and supply chain threats links are provided to display the threats and alerts discovered after performing the application scans. This page also shows total application, scans in progress, not scanned this week, and apps by risk rating. Users can sort by selecting the risk rating for a more precise view if desired. The See Details button in each of the tiles provide additional information for risk rating, vulnerabilities, and compliance issues for categories such as OAuths, SANS, outbreaks, and supply chain threats. For the Cloud Goat app, the scanner utilized was IAC and container. Looking into each provides more detail on the vulnerabilities detected. For IAC, all the alerts are listed. Let's look at one of them. The information display pinpoints the file code of the vulnerability, where it's located. The Details tab displays the branch, commit ID, and other pertinent information needed to resolve the issue. Container Details shows its scan results as well, similar to IAC. The OWASP Benchmark app shows the use of Sast, SCA, and secret scanners for vulnerabilities. Again, same information is shown here in the Cloud Goat app details. Another key information displayed in this app is the software bill of materials. This shows all the open source packages that are used and which ones have vulnerabilities. The last thing to show is the FortiDAST integration. Again, similar vulnerability information are displayed. Click on Open FortiDAST button. DAST web portal is displayed with all the summary information such as CVSS score, OOPS category, and the top SANS risks. The Vulnerabilities tab lists the URI details and which scanner discovered the vulnerability. For more information on FortiDevSec, please use these links. Thank you for watching.